Quizzes. How do I take a quiz? Select a course where you want to take a quiz. From the navigation bar, click Course Tools and then select Quizzes. On the quiz list page, click on the quiz you want to take. Read the instructions and details for the quiz. And when you're ready, click Start Quiz. Answer each question. As you complete the question, answer will automatically save. You can see which questions have saved answers in the Questions section of the Quizzes left panel. Click Submit Quiz after you answer all quizzes questions.